Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear search history in Brave. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Once done, go to the bottom right or at the top right and tap on the three dots. And once that's done, go ahead and tap on Settings. And in here, tap on the very first option, which is of Brave Shields in Privacy. Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and enable this option that says Clear Data on Exit. Okay, so for example, you browse through Facebook, YouTube, or any other websites. Okay, when you go ahead and close the browser, it will just automatically clear your history or search data. Okay, if not, you can just disable it. Okay, you can either click on or tap on Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data right here. Tap on it and just make sure that browsing history is enabled or selected. And if you want to as well, you can disable all or select all. Now just make sure that you select the correct time frame. For example, all time, last 4 weeks, 7 days, 24 hours, last 15 minutes. Once that's done, delete data right here. It says here last 15 minutes of browsing history is deleted. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that is it. That's how simple it is to clear search history in Brave Mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.